So here we are on the east end of Bahamas. This is the worst place that got hit. Fran and I were just here a few months ago, spent the day here, and this is pretty heartbreaking to see everything that's happened here. We're bringing supplies in to the people. We've got supplies that we're bringing in. You can just kind of see some of what's happened here, and it's tough to see this, but we're doing what we can to help these people out. We are going to be getting trash all out from this amazing, beautiful beach here, okay, because there's a lot of plastic that has blown into the water. The team this morning got huge barrels and that of trash from both ends of this beach, and you can see we've been blessed to stay at this beautiful resort called Old Bahama Bay, and so we're just trying to get back here and we're just taking little pieces at a time. Later on today we'll be going to another area of the island and doing trash pickup as well. So we're just trying to make it beautiful again and help our amazing ocean.
We're going to be cleaning up some trash out of the water. There's been a lot of debris coming after the storm coming around the side of the island to right over here. A lot of it gets stuck in the rocks, or things like that here get stuck on something underwater. So we're going to be working together to clean that up, get it out of the water so that the environment can be healthier and so that it's not affecting the animals.
Here we are at the south side of the west end of Bahamas, just doing some cleanup. It's actually not as bad as we thought, but we're trying to get everything, whether it's submerged or on the beach. So here we go, good times. So here's a solar field they put up for for a small hospital that they have here. This is going into the east end. This is put together by USAID, and it's pretty cool. They're going to be leaving it because that used to be over where it says ICE. That was the police station, and right across the street was the clinic. Here is the before and after. Well, we already had the before. Look at this place. This is like, here's our team still doing it, making it happen. Come on. This is amazing. The before and after. Wow. Just in a few hours, done some amazing work here.